Lavi Langga, asawa ko, nais ko ipahayag ang aking taas-pusong pangako sa iyo, ang aking pinakamagandang panaginip na nagkatotoo. Ang iyong kabaitan, kagandahan, kabaliwan ay lagi nagbibigay liwanag sa buhay ko. Mamaya na yung laman.
Lovey, thank you sa watch. Dami na akong collection na watch. And ich hoffe, alles ist gut gelaufen. Ich liebe dich, weil das wir uns trennen.
To my loving husband, Jed, from the moment we met, you saw not only me but also my daughter, and you embraced us both with open arms and a loving heart. You stepped into our lives and showed us a love that is selfless, patient, and kind.
Tamang-tama yung buhay na kinakaharap ninyong dalawa ngayon. Lilipat na kayo. Mula sa pagiging binata, mula sa pagiging dalaga, patungo sa isang buhay mag-asawa.
Sana maging masaya pagkasama niya din Lian, wala kayong maging problema. Pero ang problema kasama naman niya sa buhay ng asawa. Ang mahalaga, mahalagpasan yung mga ganong problema. Good luck!
Thank you. Baka resibo yata ito eh.
Tulong ng aeroplano.
Thank you sa gift, Lian. And ibabalyo ko to. Susutin ko araw-araw hanggang sa pagligo.
Wala akong mabibigay na advice sa'yo, di pa ako nakakasal eh. Basta na ba? Basta na ba?
I've been trying to make time.
On this day, I give you my heart, my promise that I will walk with you hand in hand wherever our journey leads us, living, learning, loving, and together forever.
Mahal ko, kasama ang iyong anak na si Julian, ay puno kayo ng pagmamahal. Nais kong maging bahagi ng inyong buhay at pangako kong mamahalin at iingatan kayong dalawa ng walang hanggan.
Everything has changed. Now I can rest my head on your shoulders and throw out all our fears and tears and dream of better days till we're older and never stop.
Thank you for accepting me and Dillian, for loving us unconditionally, and for making our family whole. You have taught me what it means to be truly loved and to love in return. I am grateful every day for the blessing of your love, and I promise to nurture and protect it always.
Keep coming back for more. Everything has changed. Now I could rest my head
Dilian ang aking magiging inspirasyon at pagmumula ng lakas. Magkakasama tayong haharapin ang bawat bukas na may ngiti at pagmamahal sa ating mga puso. Mahal na mahal kita.
I promise to stand by your side through all life's joys and challenges, to support your dreams and aspirations. I vow to create a home filled with laughter, respect, and understanding. I love you now and forever.
Now I could rest my head on your shoulders and throw out all